Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale piano. To begin, you need to understand the fundamental musical mechanics of the game. Identify the distinct sounds each troop makes upon deployment and how they correspond to specific notes on your chosen instrument. Setting up your keyboard or virtual piano is the first crucial step, ensuring you have at least 2 octaves available for a full range of sounds. Next, assign specific piano keys to your most frequently used Clash Royale troops. For instance, you might use middle C for goblins, D for archers, and E for knights. Practice playing these individual troop sounds until they become second nature. Focus on the timing and rhythm of their deployment, aiming for a consistent beat, perhaps at 100 beats per minute, to mimic real-time gameplay. Now, combine these individual troop notes to create full battle sequences. As your opponent deploys a giant, you might play a low G, followed by your counterattack notes. React quickly to their moves, ensuring your musical response is both accurate and timely. Maintaining a consistent tempo throughout the entire game is key, allowing your musical narrative to flow smoothly and reflect the intensity of the battle. To elevate your musical battles, incorporate spell sounds and tower damage into your repertoire. A fireball might be a sharp, high note, while tower hits could be a low, percussive sound. Develop muscle memory for quick note changes, practicing transitions between different troop combinations. Regular practice, perhaps for 30 minutes daily, will significantly improve your speed and accuracy, transforming you into a true Clash Royale piano maestro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.